Welcome back to Speargrass Forge. If you're new here, thanks for coming. If you're coming back, thanks for returning. Today, I'm going to be making my entry into the Blacksmith family tree. Stick around.
Hoist the sail and raise the anchor, the sun is getting high. Australia, destination, the land of sun and sky.
Now, I'm starting off with 16mm square bar because I'm attempting to make a gum leaf. Now, gum leaves are long and thin. I'll grab one just a second to show you what I mean. But yeah, so for the moment, just bringing this 16mm to a taper so I can work out where it is, and then I'll work on the bit of a stem. Okie dokie. So this is a type of gum leaf that's endemic to the northern of Australia, so it's very broad. So hopefully out of the 16mm square bar I can draw this out and lengthen it so that I get this sort of shape. It's nice and broad, nice and big, and of course it is a eucalyptus leaf. So bring it a bit close. As you can see, it's got that nice vein down the middle and a lot of small branching veins. So hopefully I can do this justice. Now, let's heat this back off and get a bit of a blackened treatment.
Shut up and sit down.
Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Check out my previous videos, and don't forget to get your entry into the Blacksmith family tree. I'll drop a link for the Facebook group in the description. There are a list of contacts around the world for you to send your leaf into, and they'll ship them all over to America to go on the family tree. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Cheers.